Hello guys, my name is Matt. Start of today, I want to go over the GUI programming for Python. So mainly I'm gonna use the program called PyQt, but you guys will need some other basic programs, softwares. So first of all, you will need Python, of course. To download the Python, you just type in Python on Google and then you can go into python.org here. Uh, if you see here, there's a download. Just click on it and then you can download the Python 3.9.1. As of today, the version is 3.9.1. So after you've done it, you just start installing. So there are some options here. You can either install now and then customize installation. I would just choose like install now here, and then you need to add your Python to your environment variable. So just click on this one, install now. You will ask whether the window allow this program to be installed. So, all right. I just skipped the progress bar because it was taking a long time. But anyway, after you're done with installation, it will show you this pop-up says setup was successful. Uh, you just close it. The way you can check whether it has been successfully installed, you just go to the CMD here. And then if you type in Python here, and then it will direct you to the Python idle. There are many ways to implement or debug your programs of this Python language. The first one will be you just use the basic idle of this Python. Here it will show you here, say like print hello world. I don't know why everyone's doing the hello world, but anyway, if you do this, it will show you, it will debug your code. However, what I want is, or what we want is more complicated programming. And then there's some framework that you can use that will help you or guide you through all the, like, I guess I can say like assist you the to program faster. So there will be the IntelliJ. So like same, you just type in IntelliJ on Google here. So you just go in and you can see the download on the main page. There's Ultimate and community version. So Ultimate is kind of like a advanced software that you can pay for it, but and then you can see all the features here. However, I think I don't need like ultimate versions, so I'm just gonna download this community, and then here you can see alright, so I'm done downloading it. Here you just open it. Okay. I don't know why it is taking some time. Alright, so here, there's some setup window. You just click next. You can just click next, or if you wanna, designate your folder for this IntelliJ, you can also set it. But I'm just gonna say next, and from here, I'm just gonna maybe I'll just click here the shortcut, and then also add launcher directly to the path. Install. Okay, so after you're done with completing the installation, it will ask you this the restart or reboot of computer because I choose to add it to the path. I'll do it later. Okay. Let's see. I want to do manually to reboot later. And all right. Now you put up your IntelliJ software. Let's see. Import setting, configure directly. Do not import setting. I'll just do this. And here, after you brought or successfully installed IntelliJ, when you start this IntelliJ framework, you will see this kind of window. First, since we're gonna do programming for PyQt, I want to install the plugins for the Python. So click the plugins here, and then here when you type it in, there, so Python community. So you just install it. Okay, so I need to restart the idle. Restart now. All right. After you restart your IntelliJ after a successfully install the plugin or the Python, you'll see this part, the window again, and then you can click on new project. So see, you get some menus here, but you just click on Python and then choose the Python SDK. From here, you just click next. Project name, I guess, hello world. And now you successfully made the hello world project within the IntelliJ. From here, you right click and then new and Python file, I guess test. You're just literally making the Python file for your project here, and let's do the same. Print hello world. You can do Control Shift F10 to debug your software, and then after you've done it, here you can see the console. It says hello world. So yeah, that was today's video. I hope you guys install the Python and the IntelliJ successfully. Just leave the comment if you have any questions. Okay. All right. Next time I'll guide you guys how to install the PyQt and the Qt designers. All right. Then see you guys next time. Bye bye.